welcome back to Video Wizard, and today I'm going to give you a very quick tutorial on how to take segments of a video in Premiere Pro. Okay, so on my screen, just over here, I have my intro to these videos. So let's very quickly play that for you. Okay, so the segment I'm going to take is just the bit at the beginning, okay, before the logo even moves, just the little bit at the beginning. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going to go to the frame. There we go. And I'm going to press either this bracket here for mark in, or I can press the I key. Okay, and that's marked in. Notice how we have an in point, but the whole rest of the timeline is also included in this. And that's because we need an out point. So I'm going to use my keypad, just press the right arrow on the keypad, and get to the point just before it moves. That's the point I want. That point. Oh, that point there. Okay, so it's a very short in and out, but it is an in and out nonetheless. And to move this onto your timeline, you literally just drag it. Now let's play it on the timeline. Very fast, but you'll notice it is that in and out point. That easy. That is how you do it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.